Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make authentic pasta. To begin, select the finest ingredients. You'll need about 200 grams of durum wheat semolina flour and 2 large eggs for a basic dough. Combine these on a clean surface, forming a well for the eggs. Gradually incorporate the flour into the eggs, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Knead the dough for 10 to 15 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. Then, let it rest for at least 30 minutes, covered, to relax the gluten. Once your dough has rested, it's time to shape it. Divide the dough into 4 equal portions. Working with one piece, flatten it slightly and pass it through a pasta machine, starting at the widest setting. Gradually decrease the setting, rolling the dough through each 1 or 2 times until it reaches a thickness of about 1 millimeter. Cut it into your preferred shapes, such as fettuccine or pappardelle, using a sharp knife or the machine's cutters. Remember to dust your fresh pasta with a little semolina flour to prevent sticking. Cooking fresh pasta is quick and simple. Bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil and add a generous amount of salt, about 1 tablespoon for every 4 liters of water. Carefully add your fresh pasta to the boiling water. Fresh pasta cooks much faster than dried pasta, typically taking only 2 to 4 minutes. Taste a piece to ensure it's al dente, meaning it's firm to the bite but still tender. Before draining, scoop out about 1/2 cup of the starchy pasta water. It's perfect for emulsifying your sauce. The final step is pairing your delicious fresh pasta with the perfect sauce. Lighter, more delicate sauces, like a simple butter and sage, work wonderfully with thin, delicate pasta shapes. For heartier sauces, such as a rich ragu, choose more robust pasta varieties like pappardelle or tagliatelle. Always toss the cooked pasta directly into your warm sauce, allowing it to absorb the flavors. Add a splash of that reserved pasta water if needed for consistency. Serve immediately, garnished with fresh herbs and grated Parmesan.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.